So if you want to supercharge the conversions of your Kajabi site, then you need this one very simple line of code. In the next 90 seconds, I'm going to show you how to turn more visitors into paying customers through your Kajabi site by adding SamCart's new slide checkout to those landing pages. I'm Scott Moran. I'm the co-founder here at SamCart, the #1 e-commerce platform for digital sellers. More than 15,000 entrepreneurs have sold over $5 billion of their own digital products, services, and physical goods through our platform. And for coaches and creators, Kajabi is a great all-in-one tool. They have a lot of different tools, but that means that some of them leave a lot to be desired. And one of those in particular is checkout. While they continue to pump out great features around building pages and delivering courses, their basic checkout features leave a lot of sellers wanting more. Which means your conversions are suffering and you can end up looking like a rookie to your customers. So why not turn those simple Kajabi landing pages into sales machines with this? SamCart's slide checkout. It's lightweight, it's easy to use, it looks great on mobile, and it makes you more money. And with SamCart's integration with Kajabi, all your customers end up being delivered right back into your Kajabi courses on autopilot anyway. And the best thing of all is it takes about 30 seconds to install, and you don't need a designer, a coder, or anything like that to make it happen. Let's go ahead and dive into a SamCart marketplace, and I'll show you exactly how it's done. All right, so here is my Kajabi sales page. Those of you guys who are familiar with Kajabi will remember the layout, right? And so if I want to have any button or any image, or even if something scrolls past a certain point, launch slide checkout, it's very, very simple. There are two very simple steps. Number one, come over to SamCart, pick up any product, right? And so if I hit design and share on the product settings, and then I go to slide, right? This is where I'm choosing, how do I launch this checkout? Is it express? Is it embed? Is it a sales page? I'm gonna hit generate slide code, and that's gonna bring up this right here. So first thing I'm gonna do is copy one very, very simple line of code. And now this normally has to go into the header of whatever page you wanna launch slide on. With Kajabi, it's a little bit different, so stick with me on this one. From the editor, what you're gonna need to do is create a custom code section, right? And then just put it somewhere on the page, that's fine. So I'm gonna click add section, and right now, the way that it works in Kajabi is add custom content, right? And now it's giving me this huge, massive thing here. But then down in the custom content section, I'm going to get rid of text, and I'm going to add custom code. Right? So I added a custom content section, and then I got rid of all the text in there, and just I'm going to be placing that. There's the custom code. Copy and paste that right here, right? All good. We don't need to do anything else. I'm gonna go ahead and just come back over here and click save. This section can't be hidden in Kajabi. It's gotta be on the page. So if you hide the section, then Kajabi hides the code and won't work, right? I'm gonna make this like a really crazy color. I'm gonna make this green right now, and then take the whole section and make it really, really, really small, right? I just kind of want to hide this at the bottom of the page. It doesn't need to be here. You could make it the same color as your footer and drop it underneath your footer or something like that. It's just going to be this little tiny section on the page. But with that, I'm going to go ahead and make sure everything looks good. I got a color just so we can all tell for the sake of this. I'm not going to use a background. I'm not going to use an image overlay. Good. Click save. So now when I go back to the page settings, custom content is at the very, very bottom. You can actually see it still sitting here. So now that the header is on my Kajabi page, all I need to do is come back over to SamCart and grab this here, step number 2. I need to make sure that any button, any image, any wherever that I want to launch slide checkout just points to this URL. So if I come back over here, the obvious answer is the button right here. So if I click on the button, I can say, cool, call to action URL is to, or the call to action here is to go to a URL, and then I just paste in that URL from SamCart, done. Doesn't matter if it opens in a new window, doesn't matter about anything like that. If I wanted to say a different button down the page, maybe I want this, call to action to launch a different slide checkout, right? You could say, okay, cool, instead of going to a checkout page, grab another URL and launch a different SamCart product or the same SamCart product, wouldn't matter. But now that we have the code on the page in the custom content, and we have this button is pointed at the correct URL, I'm gonna click save. And then if we go and preview this bad boy, refresh that page, here we go. Blink, right like that. Slide checkout comes in. You've got so many awesome features that are above and beyond Kajabi's sort of basic checkout, where you can add multiple different items to your cart. You've got one-click checkout with Apple Pay and Google Pay. You've got stored credit cards with Stripe Link. There's no password, reset stuff. There's buy now, pay later options and PayPal and whatever. All kinds of different things here. So many different great features that are going to help you convert more customers. And here's a quick example. If I go down the page, here's a quick example of sort of Kajabi's, base level checkout page, which again, does the job. That's fine for people who are sort of growing out of that, station in life, and you guys want to replace that with something more fit for where you are in business. Slide checkout, really, really super lightweight. Add the custom content section, hide it, make it really small, drop that URL onto any button, any image on the page. You can add multiple of these things. It is a great, great addition to make your Kajabi website convert higher. With Slide Checkout, you look like a total pro. With a modern checkout, your customers are going to love using. You bring in more customers, you collect 2 to 3 times more profit from each new order, and it gives you the freedom to pocket that money or reinvest back into ads, grow faster, whatever it is that you like. In short, make it easy for your customers to buy and spend more and watch your sales take off. SamCart's new Slide Checkout is built to do exactly that. Join the thousands of Kajabi creators who use SamCart to power their sales. Head over to SamCart.com, grab a free trial, or if you'd like our team to set up your entire SamCart account for you, click the link in the description below and talk with our done-for-you implementation team today. Kajabi is designed to be easy. It's not designed to sell stuff, but that is what SamCart is for.